now that we've set our lamps to the desired height that we wanted, what we've done is at the top just made a little knot so that it doesn't go up or down anymore. As you can see here, we've done that in all of them. And as for the wiring, what we've done is we've stripped the wire back just like we did on the other side, about 3/4 of an inch, and we've marked the wire that had the black writing on it. We put a black permanent marker mark on it, just like the other side, so that we would keep them all together. Now, if you remember on the other one, the black wire went on the gold pin, and we've put all these together, wrapped that with black tape, and linked all of these wires together, and I've put a black pigtail on it. Now this is the line, and this is going to attach into the black wire which is coming out of the ceiling. And we've done just the opposite with the white, or the wire that has no writing on it. We've attached them all together, and you can see I've tagged them with the yellow tape just to signify, to show you that it's the white one. And then we've put a white pigtail on it, and this is going to attach to the white wire, or the neutral, coming out of the ceiling. So, in order to attach it to the ceiling, the best way that I've come up with so far is to cut a board, something similar to this, probably about, or you could use a 5/4 board. And what you're going to want to do is measure this distance in between here, cut it to length. This is obviously too narrow. This isn't the board I'm going to use, but if this was a little bit wider, I would cut it to this width, and then again cut it to this width, so that I had a perfect square, probably about 6x6, that would fit somewhat snugly in here, and one for over here. After I do that, probably the trickiest part of it all is figuring out exactly how you want to mount it on your ceiling. You'll have to do a little bit of layout, and once you lay out approximately where you want this to be, and you have your two pieces, your 6x6 pieces that fit in here, what you'd want to do is drill into those pieces so that you can have these like little wing nut attachments to attach it to the ceiling. Now if you have a stud or a floor joist that goes through, you can screw this, mount it with, like some 3-inch screws right into the floor joist, and that'll hold it pretty well. If not, if all you have is sheetrock, that's what I did upstairs. I take these little wing nut attachments and drill through the board, put a washer on here so that doesn't pull through the board, and comes up through, drill a hole in the ceiling, pop that through the ceiling, and just tighten it down real snug on the ceiling. After you have that down, and so basically what you have mounted to the ceiling is 2 of your 6x6 blocks that when you put this up should fit right inside there. And after you do that, what I've used to attach the fixture to the 6x6 pieces is some 2-inch finish screws. They've got a nice little fancy little head on it. And basically just screw right through the side of your fixture into the 6x6 board. Make sure you do enough. I'd probably do about 3 on each side, so you have a total of 12 screws that go in there. And then this will be mounted to your ceiling, put in your light bulbs, and screw on your mason jars. That's it.